Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cozy bed using the brick shelves in Heartopia. So I'm just going to use this first because I want to color like underneath the floorings. So let's do that. Let's get the ceiling part first. I'm just going to color it pink. You can use any color you want for yours, but I'm just going to use the pink for mine. It's more of a white, if anything, when it hits the light, but that's fine. Or should I do this one? I'll just do this one first and then I'll decide later. Just remove that. Just place it on the floor for now. And then I'm just going to place this to the side. Then we will need some of the low walls. Again, I'm going to color that the same color, but again, you can use any color that you'd like. Here and the back side as well. And then we are going to place 2 here. And then 2 here, like so. Like this first. And then we're going to get the other floor and we're going to place it here. Then I am going to use the brick corner storage. Make sure you have crafted this one. And you can color it to like whatever color you like. But I'm choosing pink for mine to kind of match with the rest. And we're going to place one here. And then one here. Let's rotate that. And then we're going to place one over here to the side. And then one more here. Let's rotate that as well. Then we are going to grab this table and I'm just going to put it on the left side. You can place it anywhere you want, of course. And then I am going to get the joinery cabinet. And I think I'm going to change the color of the top here to match, or okay, I can't. So I'll actually just color it white like this, like that. Then we are going to add our bed on that floor. Oh my gosh, can I not select it? There we go. Looks something like this. And then we are going to get shelves. So let's go to the building material here and we're going to grab the wooden wall storage one here. And I'm just going to color it the same. It's going to place 2 here, but you can add more shelves if you'd like to. And then for the back here, I'm just going to place it on top like this. Then I'm just going to decorate and stuff like that, and I'll be right back with the finished results. And here is the finished result. Super cute. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!